going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. We have a modified machine for you today. Some of you may have seen I bought a 2026 Can-Am HD11 XMR. Well, we decided that was going to be the mud machine. When I bought it, that was the plan, to make it ready for all mud everywhere. Bounty holes, drags, everything. Well, it is back. It is done. It is awesome. Faulkner Power Sports, Super ATV, Can-Am, and High Lifter, all on this machine. It is amazing. It is going to be an absolute monster when it comes to mud. Let's look at what happened and what we did to it. First, we added a GDP 4-inch portal lift from Super ATV. This one has a 30% gear reduction, and we also did do some clutch work to this. So between the gear reduction and the clutch work, we're all set. And then we also added a 3-inch lift from High Lifter. So as you can see here, on top of the 4-inch portals, we added a 3-inch High Lifter lift kit to make this even larger. Also, we added a set of 20-inch MSA M43 Fang UTV wheels wrapped in a 36-inch Super ATV Assassinator tire built for the mud. We also added a Can-Am hood light bar. This thing's awesome. It blends in when it's not on, and it looks really aggressive. And then during the night, it is super bright. Tons of light coming from it, so a great option. We're going to measure ground clearance with this machine now. We got 24 inches to the middle of the machine, and we got 17 inches to 18 inches to the bottom of the portals. So over here by the bottom of the portals, you have roughly 17 to 18 inches. Here in the middle, we're looking at about 24 inches of clearance. So you got 2 feet of clearance. This thing is going to get through a lot of mud and a lot of situations that I need it to. So it's nice because I'm going to be putting this into bounty holes. I'm going to be putting it into the mud drags. This is going over to Herbie's Mud Club. This is only for the mud. I am not trail riding this. I am not. This will never go to West Virginia. This is purely a mud machine, and that is it. So this thing, we're ready to go. We can't wait to test it. If you're looking to make the ultimate mud machine, go this route. You can also get a 6-inch portal if you want instead of a 4-inch portal. So add another 2 inches or so. But I think 4-inch portals, a 3-inch lift, and then 20-inch wheels and 36-inch tires definitely are going to be enough for what I'm looking to do. We also did clutch work, so we redid the clutch on it so that it was geared different. So obviously it's actually set up for 36-inch tires, and it's going to be ready to go, so we're not blowing parts out. I think the next thing I'm going to do is probably going to be upgraded axles, and then maybe next year we'll look at A-arms. I don't know if I really need it for what I'm doing, but always an option. If I want to go with a bigger wheel and bigger tire, I would need to go with a bigger A-arm, a thumper fab or something like that, bumper fab. But either way, right now, super happy with how this came out. If you're looking to get one, I'm telling you, it's a great option. Faulkner Power Sports can sell you the Can-Am, Super ATV, High Lifter, everything. They did all this work for us. It's awesome. Can't wait to get out and ride it. Let me know what you think. And is this something that you would get, or are you more of a trail person and this isn't really down your path? Because these tires, not the best on the trail. Roasted Beans and Tires, Can-Am, Super ATV, High Lifter, Faulkner Power Sports. Make sure you stay tuned. We're going to have some awesome content coming with this machine in the near future. See you later.